Imagine this, one company goes public and instantly becomes one of the most valuable companies on earth. Bigger than banks, bigger than oil giants, maybe even bigger than entire stock markets. That company could be SpaceX. And if the rumors about a future IPO become reality, it may become the largest IPO in history. But this isn't just about rockets. This could completely change the stock market, the space industry, and how the world thinks about investing. So the real question is, what happens when Elon Musk finally opens SpaceX to the public? Back in 2002, SpaceX looked impossible, a private company trying to compete with governments and billion-dollar aerospace corporations. Most people laugh, but Elon Musk had a bigger vision. He didn't just want to launch rockets, he wanted to make humanity multi-planetary. And somehow, against all odds, SpaceX transformed from a risky startup into the most dominant space company in the world. Today, it launches rockets more frequently than entire nations, and its reusable rocket technology completely changed the economics of space travel. Now, here's where things get serious. Most IPOs are big, but SpaceX, this would be different because SpaceX isn't just one company anymore. It's multiple future industries combined into one: rockets, satellites, military contracts, global internet, artificial intelligence infrastructure, and space exploration. Its satellite division Starlink alone is already changing internet access across the world. And investors know something important. If SpaceX goes public, people won't just be buying a stock, they will be buying a vision of the future. A SpaceX IPO could trigger one of the biggest investor frenzies ever seen. Retail investors would rush in, institutions would compete for shares, media attention would explode, and billions, maybe trillions of dollars could flow into aerospace, AI, defense, and future tech stocks. This could create an entirely new market narrative, just like the internet boom or the AI boom. Space could become the next investment obsession. And if that happens, companies connected to satellites, defense systems, rocket technology, and AI infrastructure could rise with it.